Namaskar, welcome warriors. The big question at this time is, what is it you are really committed to? As you might know, we can make the moon and the other planets to our allies, and in this recording I'm gonna give you an idea how that works. Every new moon, it's an opportunity to set your intentions and be clear about your commitments. I'm Sky, on a mission of unconditional love and oneness. My purpose is the transmutation of the past. The concept is that instead of being thrown around by those elements, we might as well use it. If that makes sense so far, hit the like button. I appreciate you being here on the moon's journey. The moon and the other bodies go around the zodiac. Already 24 hours after the conjunction with the Sun, our lovely moon has passed Venus and Pluto in gate 61. You can use the high frequencies of divine inspiration and claim the sanctity of your creations. This gate enables you to identify with Sat-Chit, recognize your divine nature. On the 4th of January, the moon passes Mercury, and the frequencies of gate 60 become energized. It's about limitations, manifestations within structures, and the deeper understanding and experience of the sacred geometry. On the 5th of January, the moon visits Saturn in gate 19. Then it's a good time to use codependency or independency. Find out actually needs to sacrifice what in order for your dreams come true. Become sensitive for the need of others at this day or experience insensitivity from others. Moving out of Aquarius, the moon reaches the position of Jupiter in Pisces. It's the 55th gate. This 6th of January will be a significant day. Work with the frequencies of abundance and freedom. You are no victim of the past habits and patterns, or even unhealthy people. Transcend these shadows, disown it and discard it. Already one day later, the moon meets Neptune. It's time to connect with spirit. This can be in meditation or the sleep. The 7th January is the day to impose your idea and visions on the subconscious mind using your feelings and emotions. On the 11th January, when the moon meets Uranus in gate 24, it's about overcoming addictions of all kinds. Doing alternate breathing exercises will be great to support the workings of the pineal gland. Finally, we arrive on the 17th January in Cancer. It will reactivate the energies from the 4th of January when we were working with the vibrations coming through gate 60. Let's keep in mind that all humans are manifesting one or the other way. How exactly it will be most easy for you to approach the things, that depends entirely on your design and attitude. Was that recording useful to you? Click like if so, and subscribe if you're interested in learning more. It is my very pleasure to be at your service.